Hey everybody, it's Robbie. Got my limited edition sweatshirt. Awesome. And Anthony is here from froggy.ca. Anthony.
Hi everybody.
How are you, man?
Anthony from froggy.ca.
Tell us about you and your business.
Well, I'm a security professional. I'm helping Robbie secure his new studios over here. And we'll do our best and make sure it's safe and sound.
And how'd you hear about us?
Well, just searching the web. I looked up podcasts and you guys came up. Category 5. I said, let's start watching. And it was good.
There you go. It was good. You heard it right here. It was good. All right, so what are we doing today? You were talking about possibly getting some motion sensing in here.
Well, today we're just looking at your building to see what access points there are, and we're trying to find out the best way we can secure them. So if anybody does make their way into the building and they're not wanted, you'll be notified, and we'll just be taking a look.
And the futuristic lasers will cut them up into bitty pieces.
Exactly. We have special lasers for that.
All right, awesome. We have special lasers. It can be done. All right, so I actually took a bit of time off last week because I was feeling a little bit of burnout, to be honest, and so kind of nice to be back and looking at the studio space and thinking, you know what, we're actually making pretty good progress. I'm feeling refreshed, and Anthony's here, so we're gonna get some stuff. I'm gonna get some stuff done in the lights because you're gonna spot me, right?
I'll spot you, no problem.
All right, perfect. So let's see if we can get this stuff done. So there's some noise on the line, so I didn't want to start playing with the electrical until Anthony shows me how one of these things works. So you've set it to AC 200 volts, and
we're just gonna check. Check the if there's any power. We're gonna go between the hot and the common.
There you go. Now he's put these things into the receptacle, and it shot up to 121 volts. So we know that the tester itself works. So this is just to be safe because we don't want to be messing around with the electrical if there's any kind of power there.
All right.
You want to hold that and I'll check the screen?
Yeah.
0.
You got 0?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to just double check this to make sure. I check all 3 leads just to make sure. I'm going to go from neutral to ground.
Now you're touching the neutral. Could you get zapped if that was hot?
If it was hot, it would hurt. All right. So I'm going to go from hot to neutral. Do we have anything?
No.
All right, and then neutral to
nothing.
To hot, nothing. So now you know the circuit is dead.
So is the red the hot?
The AC doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't? Okay.
Doesn't matter on AC. And DC, then it's a plus and minus, but on AC it's alternating current. Doesn't matter. Cool. So this line on this circuit here is dead.
Excellent. So we can get started on the lights.
Yes, we can.
Thanks, man. Hey again. It's coming along pretty good. I've got 3 lights done. Well, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 done?
4 lights.
I thought I only had 5. I guess I had 6 because I still have 2 left. There they are. So, but we're making good progress. How are things going with the security system?
Everything's going well. Let's take a look at what we have here. We have our lines run in the ceiling, pre-run.
Okay.
Where we have a line for the keypad.
Yep.
We have door contacts set up. We have motion detector, heat detectors, and other fun stuff. We're moving on quite...
We've learned that we're not supposed to talk about the laser cutting system.
So the laser cutting system is hush-hush right now, but we'll demonstrate that on the show for you
Great.
At another time. But so far everything's coming along, and we will be adding in the actual equipment at another date. But for now, we're doing good.
Get it all wired in.
Yep.
Now, it's kind of starting to get a little bit dark. It's getting a little bit later, but we've got one studio light held up by a little cooler, which is kind of brightening up the place here. But I've got some of these lights done, and we're making good progress. So, all right, back to it. Oh, wait, you were talking something about these tiles. What? Okay, we've got these tiles here, and we've been talking about, do we paint them? What do we do?
Well,
this is crazy. Listen up, folks.
This was a tip that was given to me by a ceiling tile installer.
Oh, okay, so this is legit.
This is legit.
Listen up.
But I don't know if it's true or not, but you can try it anyways.
He was tricking you?
Yeah, we'll see. What he was saying was to get aerosol foot deodorizer for your shoes.
For stinky feet.
For stinky feet. And you just spray it on the ceiling tile. It comes out in a white mist, and it just covers... it's usually used for touching up certain areas. Like if you have a little chip and you have to touch up, that'll work.
Oh.
I've never tried it, but it's something
Instead of paint?
Instead of paint.
And
paint
it's white
expensive.
and it stays?
It sticks.
And is it going to affect the acousticity of the tile?
Shouldn't.
What?
It's like baby powder.
It's crazy talk. Is it going to smell like baby powder?
I don't know. I've never used that product before.
Has anyone? Okay, so here's a call to viewers at home. Have you ever used that white spray for feet? Because we want to know, what does it smell like? Is it going to make it smell like baby powder in here? Because that would just be kind of weird.
Now, I think the aerosol's for your shoes. You put the stuff in your shoes, but I'm not sure.
Oh, is that how it works?
Yeah,
so you
you
spray it on your
shoes.
feet. So you spray it in your shoes or on your ceiling
On
tiles?
the ceiling tiles.
All right.
One or the other.
Got it. What do you think? What do you think?
Looks good. We'll try it. See.
Okay. Do you think, is he crazy? Is he making things up to trick me? I don't know. It's dark out. It's pretty much black out. And we're done for today, right?
Yeah, we're done. That's
pretty
it.
good.
My
So-
pre-wire's all set for tonight. We gotta wait till a couple days from now till we get the equipment in. Then we can do the final install and activate the system, and we can even show you the users how to use the system.
Great.
Um,
Because I need to know.
yeah, definitely. We won't show them any security codes, but we will show them the wrong ones so the lasers can. They can
Yeah,
follow
right.
the lasers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it.
All right. So every light in here, folks, is wired, as you can see, amazingly well. There's some of the wiring that Robbie did. Isn't it gorgeous? And there we have it. So do you have electrical knowledge, even though you're not a licensed electrician? I have to get over here. Why do Canadian wires have metal shielding? Does that not seem unsafe? Do you know?
The metal shielding is to protect the wire from being cut, especially in commercial. They use it in commercial applications, and in open plenums, so the wire, if it makes contact with any sharp objects, it doesn't get cut. The metal shielding protects the wire from being cut and shorted out, causing fire.
Must also be why it's so hard to cut.
Yes, there's a proper way to cut that wire as well. You need a special little hacksaw to do it properly, and you can't break it and twist it and break it that way.
Oh, you can't, eh?
Nope, because
Oh.
you create nicks and cuts in the wire.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I'm getting mixed signals here.
Uh-oh.
Getting mixed signals. So it's conductive though.
No, it's not. That's all.
It's not?
Let me grab a piece here.
Okay.
I'll show you the wrong way to. This is the wrong way to break this wire.
It looks
Do
like you
that.
broke it just fine.
That's the wrong way to do it. Because
Alright.
if you have wire in there, by folding in half, the metal inside here can create a nick or cut in the two wires that are in there and cause shorts and fires, which you don't want. The proper way to do it is carefully back the wire off by untwisting it ever so gently. And once you get it open, you get a tiny little hacksaw and slowly, carefully cut through, and then it'll just come apart and off the wire. Then you put your little protection cap inside, and you're off to the races.
Cool.
But things may have changed. That's information going back 10 years ago. So I got that from another gentleman even further back.
Oh yeah.
So
Sounds good. Thanks for the info.
anytime.
I know John was wondering about the whole conductivity of the.
Yeah,
shielding.
no,
I guess they don't have it like that in the Netherlands. So.
No, this wire here is this is actually grounded regardless. Any of this wire that touches the light fixture is automatically grounded.
So does that mean if there is a short, it's going to arc and trip the breaker?
That's correct.
So it will actually turn off the circuit.
It'll kill the circuit, yeah.
Ah, hopefully without causing a fire. Got it. Well, okay. Well, we're done. Thank you so much, Anthony, for all your help, and we look forward to getting the actual surveillance system in. And there we have it. So thanks for making the trip.
Anytime. Hey guys, enjoy the show. Category 5 Technology TV.
Thanks, everybody. See ya.
Bye. Have a good one.